Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Larry Thomas. On this particular channel, we'll be talking about videography and photography. Alright, if you guys haven't subscribed to this channel, guys, please do so at this time. If you can't get this video a thumbs up, I would surely appreciate it. Alright, on today's video, we'll be talking about how to add background music to your footage in Imovie. How to add background music to your footage in Imovie. Alright, let's get right into it. So, of course, when you open iMovie, it's going to open up where you name your project, right? So you can name it here. I'm just going to name it, we're doing background music. I'm going to name it background music. Open this back up. So once you go here and add background music, you have some footage here you add right here. You just drag and drop your footage there.
Today I want to talk about,
and then you want, once you do that, you just go here to audio, guys, right here to audio, and you go to your music, and I'm gonna go to instrumentals. Matter of fact, let's go. Come on, wow, I'm typing like this today. All right, instrumental, and this you go to add any kind of music you want here. And I should have went to something that I know is not copywritten. Let me search for some right quick. It's not copywritten. Let's see if I can search for a playlist of music. Okay, go to my playlist here, like in darkness. Okay. So I have my playlist here, and I know this is not copywritten because I had this made. So what you do here, you just get it and you drag it down below your footage you have on your timeline, okay? You drag it like that. We're gonna expand this here so we can work with it a little bit more. Okay, you have this top.
what's up, you guys?
Of course, I wouldn't put that music with this video, okay? Unless I was doing like prayer or something like that. All right, so you're gonna take it down, like I take it down. Usually take it down to like 3%.
Welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe
perfect just
now.
like that.
My name is Larry, man, and on this channel we'll be talking about.
And of course, I will do other things with this video. But yeah, that's basically how you add music in iMovie, you guys. How you add background music. You add any type of music you want to, as long as it's not copyrighted, especially if you're doing YouTube videos and stuff like that. Alright, guys, like I said, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so, guys. And if you can't give this video a thumbs up if this helped you in any way. Alright, guys, until next time, out.